What if I told you you're just 3 clicks away from owning a digital product business? Seriously, that's all it takes. I built a digital product business bundle with 5 professionally designed, editable Google Sheets templates you can fully customize and brand as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1, the monthly budget tracker. 2, the annual budget tracker. 3, the 12-month weight loss tracker. 4, the monthly habit tracker. And finally, the annual habit tracker. Each template is available in multiple color themes, along with easy-to-follow instructions in both video and PDF formats to walk you and your customers through setup. But I didn't just stop at templates. Here's what else you'll get. 1, a marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2, a sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3, a packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4, an upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. Starting a digital product from scratch is no joke, which is why I made this bundle to help you skip all that and start selling right away. Now let's talk money. If you list your trackers individually for $10 to $15 or sell them as a bundle for $30 to $70, you'll have your entire investment paid back in just 3 to 5 sales. From that point on, every sale is 100% profit. Since it's a 100% digital business, you only need to upload the files once, and the templates can sell thousands of times while you do other things. Now here's the thing. To avoid market saturation and keep things fair, I'll only open access in small, controlled batches. Once a batch sells out, I'll close it for a bit to protect early buyers and give them a chance to launch without a crowded space. That means if you're seeing this now, take the hint, now's the time. Click the link in my bio to grab your bundle before this batch sells out. Or just type first in the comments and I'll send it to you directly.